What's today? Thursday?
Today's Thursday.
The week went by so quick.
That it did. That's what happens.
And then October. I'm gonna go to LA. Damn, bro. I'm not looking forward towards that flight, bro.
Dude, yeah, welcome to my life when I fucking went to see all you fuckers. Back-to-back weekends, bro. I should have just stayed in Miami.
Yeah, for sure. You might not have came back, honestly.
Yeah, now you gotta experience what I went through, bro.
Yeah.
So
5 hours is not fun.
It's not.
You give me a time to lock in, though. I can lock in a little bit.
You definitely can lock in. You can absolutely lock the fuck in. You can lock the fuck in. Good morning, gang. What is going on? How we doing? How are we doing? Selling off the open. I have a really nice level on R2Y I'm watching, but I will not take a trade unless it tests that level on R2Y. Just saying. But if it tests it, I like it.
Yeah.
Good morning. Good morning. Drew, I'm watching RTY today. I do have a level I like, but I just told Lawrence I needed to be tested. I'll show you, actually. Let's look at it. Let's explain it. Let's explain the thing. Daily chart. So other chart, you can't see it, but the 21 period moving average, we're basically sitting on it right here. But if you want to look at this so this is actually, some of you are going to laugh. I know I troll them all the time. I do see fair value gaps. I just don't use them that much. But if they line up with the confluence of something, I'm like, oh, that's kind of interesting. So if you want to look at the fair value gap halfway in between this, right, roughly in this zone, you also have a retest of previous resistance here. Mm-hmm. That is what I like. So if you put a line, right, let's call it here, right, something like that. This is nice. I like this potentially. So if we can come down and retest this area, this zone, 52s, I'm pretty interested in attempting long here to see if it works, just because it seems like a decent spot for it to try, and that would be a nice little overshoot of yesterday's low and then a reclaim. So I'm going to be eyeing that, see if that happens. Bigger picture daily. I do like that. See if it can play out. I'll go to 4 hour, kind of zoom out and see. See, yeah, retest this structure. Look at this. This wouldn't be bad. So interested in it, but also in the pre-market now, I don't even know if we're going to get there because we had yesterday's low, and then we basically putting in kind of like a double bottom right here. And now we're holding on a hammer. Yeah, this looks bullish. Look at this.
Yeah,
this looks bullish, my friend. So I don't know. That might have been the entry right there. Might have been it. Might have been it. Fuck, I like that hammer, dude. We got red folder news at 9:45. I know, right? Look at this 2-minute also, Lawrence.
Let me see. Damn.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Fuck me. I'm going to wait. I want to wait till after red folder news. I want to be really cautious today after being a fucking degenerate yesterday. If I miss it, I miss it. It's okay. I'll probably find another entry potentially. This always gives other entries. RTY never just runs. So, previous week high area. Yeah. Let's go, Luke, Drew, Luis, the fair value gap. Yeah. Tanner, did I see you pass another top step yesterday after blowing one? Yes, I passed 2 of them actually right here. Look at boom. So it was funny. Right after the stream, Lawrence entered his long, crushed it, and I entered a long on 2 combines, hit the 4,500. Then Asia session comes on, ripped it just for the combines, passed it. And what's cool with Top Step is it's like instant pass now on the dashboard. So everyone was messaging me like, you passed in 1 day. And I'm like, no, technically it was 2 sessions. But yeah, I guess theoretically, if you want to look at it like that, it was 1 day.
Don't blow these ones.
No, I'm not. That was my only. I haven't degen like that in a hot minute. I have my Take Profit Trader account on the side to degen if I want. But these ones, like the whole goal of this is just base hit my way to fat payouts. Like that's, you know, I got 3 accounts here. I got 5 Lucid accounts that are attached to this on the back end. Still waiting on my top 1 account, but that'll be 9. So
Futures, that would be cool.
yeah, exactly. So that'll be good. Okay. So bigger picture, let's go back to NQ. What are we looking at today? Well, we have red folder news at 9:45, and I think at 10 is like home sales. It's not red folder, but just something else to look out for. Yesterday, obviously big capitulation. Look at this is why sweeps and liquidity got to pay attention to them, right? We swept this low, barely dink below it. They bought it back up, right? These extreme points. So today, the main focus is, first of all, it's a fat 2 days of expansion bar. I would not be surprised to see this bar not leave this entire bar today. Obviously, we'll be watching prior day low to see if it gets it. Maybe we push down to 23,000, somewhere down there, and then reclaim or some shit. I don't know. Gonna wait to see that. But range-wise, right in the middle of it. What does this tell us? Low probability of fucking anything, right? It's one way or another. So to the hourly, this is something, the main thing I wanted to point out to everyone. We got our stupid little brush here. Let's see. This. You see the pattern here, guys? The pattern is it's continuous lower highs from an hourly chart, structurally point of view. So until we get something back above one of these, right, and then get fucking boom, like this is just still really bearish. That's why this has just kind of just been dying. And it's tough. These environments are tough for me, for sure. For the way I trade, especially, very tough. So now here, the question is, does this come all the way back down to here and test? Or do we catch some support halfway through, right, and come and test up here? That's going to kind of be the big watch today of what I'm focused on and want to see. So yeah, kind of just wanted to point that out for you guys. That's what I'm looking at. Because that shit used to always get me. I mean, it still gets me. You guys saw I got smoked yesterday, but it's not like I'm not aware of it from like a technical point of view. I think that's the most important thing. When you start understanding kind of like structure like this, and you see market structure, and you're like, okay, well, yeah, we keep selling because it's like this. You know, it looks like this. Like that's what's happening. It just helps you like kind of, I guess, like accept some of the moves a bit more. And they're like, all right, well, until that actually changes, ain't nothing different type deal. So yeah, that's what I got. Like I said, we got red folder news at 9:45. This is a nice little pattern here, Lawrence. I like this.
Yeah, no, this is smooth.
There's 220 here.
Nice little sweep right there.
Yeah, sweep down, right down to 200, retest 220. Damn, this is fucking nice. Too bad it's already 60 points away. And again, just too close to the open. I can't do it. Not today. Not today, Satan. Rusty, Nikki. Had you pass in today? No. So this was it's 2-day pass for Top Step. J Bulls, H pattern forming. Yep. I saw that H, definitely. But until the H is completed.
What's the H pattern?
H pattern is literally it's a lowercase h. It's old school options pattern. I used to trade a lot. Back to the hourly here, it's this. You see like extension and see how it's forming an H?
Yeah.
It's just a continuation pattern, basically, is what it is. But I used to actually, it's so funny. I haven't thought about that pattern in a while. I used to use it all the time when I traded options. It's just really useful in options. I think it doesn't work as well in futures because we don't really have continuations like that as much. But test yesterday's lows, what I'm thinking won't pierce it. Yeah, possibly. I like how see, Luke, what I like is it sounds like you create scenarios, which is good. And that's what it's about, right? Like we're creating theses and scenarios. None of us know what the fuck's gonna happen, but being open to scenarios. Feces. But being aware and open to like what potentially could happen, that's what it's about, right? Because that helps the frustration of when you're wrong. You'll still get frustrated, but it's not like confusion of the market, if that makes sense. Like it's like when the move happens, like, ah, well, that's what they're doing today. Versus like, no, this doesn't make sense. Like, this should do this, whatever. Probabilities. Yep, exactly. There you go, Luke. Probabilities. It's like, could use some W's in the chat today in the worst way. Let's get some W's going for sure. All right.
Today's going to be a little tricky.
I think it could be tricky. I really want to see this red folder news, how we react to it. Actually, this RTY is rejecting VWAP right now. I'm telling you, I'm gonna attempt that area if we can get down there. So it's like if we can lose all this here down to my level, I got the level here somewhere around the zone. Maybe make like a kind of wider stop on it. That I'm interested in, my friends. That I'm interested in. We'll see. We shall see.
Oh my god. Is anybody else tired this morning? Like abnormally tired? I'm sleepy.
Dude, I've been cacked, bro. Been exhausted.
Did you go to the gym this morning?
No. No faster cardio. I do fast cardio on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Dude, this YM was looking decent for how it was holding. It's having so many days holding right here on the daily, and then today we just cracked it.
Rusty say he hacks his alarm at 5 a.m. Slept in. I feel that 5 a.m. is insane. I couldn't even. I don't know. I can't. Those days are over for me.
No, dude, they should be just beginning.
No, man. I wake up like at 7:30, 8 o'clock.
Fucking my day's over by then, dude. I'm already full. I'm full porting NQ at 7:30. Oh, okay, you serve at night. Number one, God bless you. That's what I did for a long time. I worked a restaurant for 15 years. Been fighting to find a schedule that works the best with me, but I haven't found a gym schedule yet that works well with training and serving job at night. I will tell you, I don't know how old you are, how much energy you got, but I remember when I was first learning how to trade, I was 26. Dude, I remember some days I would trade. Well, mainly I would trade in the morning, obviously. And then sometimes if I had time, I would go lift midday. But I remember sometimes I would trade in the morning and then I would work at the restaurant from 10 a.m. Sometimes open to close. Sometimes I work 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. And I would I would go to the gym after work like a fucking psycho. And then, of course, I would fuck up trading the next day, like on those days. Those days were rare. I didn't work too many open to closes. It'd normally be like 10 to 8 or like 10 to like 7 or something like that. And then I would get off and then I would go to the gym. But the only thing that allowed me to do that was like just this. It's almost that mentality of not to be like, I'm going to sound like a total douche saying this, but like, I'm better than you mentality. I can do this. No one else wants to do this. That was like the only thing that kind of got me through it. Cause I was like, I'd be at the gym being like, fuck, I don't want to do this. But no one else does. And that's why I'm doing it. And, you know, that definitely helped me a little bit. So
that's that Alex Hormozy shit. I just actually saw a reel of his yesterday talking about when you do something that's hard, it turns from hard to, this is something nobody else is able to do. So,
yep.
Some shit like that.
True that. Kids wake up at 6:30.
My God.
So I can get it in. Yeah. Work 4 to 11, 6 days a week. Mostly do afternoon lifts, but I don't get to it. Well, sometimes I don't get to it. I'm going to tell you right now. I'm going to call you out. That's just you not prioritizing it, bro. You're just not prioritizing it because it shouldn't be like, oh yeah, I'll get to it. It's like, no, I got to go fucking train at this time. This is my time window to do it. So that's ingrained in my head from 14 years of lifting consecutively. It's never a matter of if, it's just a matter of when, and like fucking go figure it out, So I'll just be blunt and call you out there on that.
David Goggins would be so disappointed in him.
David Goggins is a psycho, bro. I read his book. It was a pretty good book. It's entertaining. Like, which one is it? The Can't Hurt Me. God, and he talks about those ultra marathons he does, and he has like pictures too of his foot all fucked up in there. I'm like, this is gross, dude. He's psycho, literally psycho. I'm like, I get it, like it's like that mental toughness, but at some point also, I'm like, dude, like that's the type of dude to be like, you go on vacation somewhere, he's like, we're picking the 1-star hotel and sleeping in it.
Yeah, for
Builds
sure.
character, and I'm like,
For
no, dude,
sure.
I want to fucking no. Give me the nice bed.
No.
No,
Right.
I'm not doing that. I'm on vacation. Sitting there eating bonbons on the bed.
No
He's so
bonbons.
ridiculous.
Oh,
Oh god. Okay, we're getting the reject of VWAP here so far.
now
Across the
45
board.
news.
945 news. Let's get this dump here on everything. See where we go. Coming back into 220s here. VIX is up 3%. Don't want to ignore that. Okay, here's the dump. We're coming into RTY, that level. I will take my attempt down here if we can get it. Sweep of this low, still holding prior day low here. Do we dump it? Damn, YM is just fucking eating shit. Bring her down. Bring her on down. Bring her on down.
Mm-hmm.
They're trying to hold 200 for sure. YM is just real heavy. Wow, that's gonna bring the SPY down. All right, we're being patient.
Very patient. Very
There we
patient.
go. Here's a sweep of yesterday's low. You gonna do it, or you're barely gonna tease us here on RTY? What you doing? What you doing?
Yeah, no, Goggins is a masochist for sure. There's something, yeah,
Goggins psycho, dude.
for sure.
Hey Tanner, just curious, why didn't you take the retest of VWAP and NQ? Because I just don't want to trade that close to the open, honestly. It just after yesterday too. The closer I trade towards the open and potentially take a loss, it's a brewing mechanism for me to trade like a retard. So I'm just down to be patient. That was a good retest of VWAP. I like that. That was a great short, actually, potential. Really good setup there on NQ. I just sometimes happens. Just I don't know. And like I said, too early. That's the main reason. I just didn't want to. I don't want to take it too early. Okay, this is kind of interesting here. They're trying to hold this low. I don't know. I don't
Oh,
trust.
wow.
Yeah,
That was
I
a
know.
crazy pop.
They're really trying to hold this this 220 here.
Yeah. That's a sweep.
I know.
That is a little definition of a sweep right there. Like pass the low and then immediate buying pressure. Ooh, that's nasty work.
Kind of want to try this long here on RTY once. This is aggressive buying though.
You know who I haven't seen in a while?
Huh.
You remember stock market scientist?
Oh yeah, where's he at?
I don't know.
Let's see here. Do we get this? I wanted this candle to close, dude. I'm a little spooked trying this too early.
This is definitely a sweep.
I like it though. I know it's
I do too.
worth a potential attempt, but I want this 5-minute bar to close. Let's see. Patience, patience, patience.
Mm.
How are they going to close this?
Yeah, I'm curious. This is interesting.
I'm curious on the follow through too. That's the main thing. Are they just going to dump it back down and take out the whole wick, or?
If you look at man, that 2-minute bar is bullish as
I
fuck.
know. I'm gonna try this.
Order filled.
All right, I'm trying this. Let's see here. Stop at the low here in RTY. Let's see if this can hold. I wanted that much lower test. I just don't think we're gonna get it. Honestly, I really don't think we're gonna get it. Look at this fucking 5-minute bar, dude. Wow. If we get back through VWAP here, I want to add to this.
J Bulls, when you think you're being the most patient, be more patient. That's very true. That's
so
extremely true. That's
true.
extremely true. For sure.
God, that 5-minute bar is so bullish. It's really hard to ignore that. I'm gonna add.
Order filled.
How much are you risking?
$600. A lot. A lot, my friend.
I mean, the odds are on your side as of now.
Yeah, I do like it. See if we can get this pop here. I got a bit more confidence in this RTY than NQ. I just like the daily chart so much. Testing the fair value gap, bro.
It looks good. Look at those wicks.
Yeah, not bad. Let's get it. Let us get it. Let me get through this 66 here.
Oh, wow.
Are these the fresh funded accounts? Yeah, these are well, 2 of them are. The other one's the same one I've been trading.
Let me check the daily chart because we're rejecting again. We could have reclaimed this wick on the daily.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna just let it play out. I don't know.
What are we gonna get here? Something.
I guess like consolidating for the next leg up.
Mm-hmm.
Congrats, Lawrence, with that taking a W yesterday. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, Edgar. I needed that.
This looks good, dude. This looks decent.
Damn.
Okay, right when I fucking open my mouth and say something. Are you kidding me, dude?
He must have heard you.
Jesus Christ.
What the fuck did he say?
Yeah, what'd he say? What'd he say? Bull? Did you say bullish? Take him out. Dude, no. None of this bullshit, dude. None of this bullshit. Man, I fucking hate these guys, dude.
Staying out of this mess until after 10 a.m. news. I mean, yeah, I don't normally trade until after 10 a.m. anyway. What made you switch to RTY today?
If you were here for the beginning of the stream, I talked about the daily chart setup. Daily chart setup. I really like. Told you I'm not an ICT guy, but I do see this stuff. Daily fair value gap, retest of basically the support. We didn't really get the full retest, though. That's what I don't like. But basically, kind of putting in a double bottom from yesterday, seeing if we can kind of get buys back up towards 76 here. That's what I like. And then on the 5-minute, we got some sort of signal, failed attempt to go lower here and the sweep. So that's why I like it.
I like it.
That is why I like it. Let's see what she does.
See what she do.
See what she do. See if she can do something. Tanner, that's another ICT concept 2 OTE. What is that? Golden zone fib. It's like optimal trade entry.
Dual
That's
trading
right.
entry.
Yeah. Something like that.
Yeah, that's like the fib retracement.
Yeah.
I do like the concept of OTE just because you like buying into weakness.
Well, dude, like as much as I troll ICT stuff, there's some concepts that are great that make sense. Like it's like I'm not saying they don't work. Tons of people make tons of money trading ICT. I'm saying if what I hate is when people think it's an end all be all. Like it's well, that's why it happened. It's like no, no, it's just a thesis that like come on, you know. And when people like look for too many trade like ICT stuff. I remember I had one guy coach and he was like kind of looking at he's like, well, there's a breaker block here, and then like this should be OTE, and then this, and then this, and then this, and he would just go on and on and on about all these things.
And that's why the market is moving.
Dude,
it's not the real reason.
This rejection, dude. Fuck this rejection right now. But yeah, he would go on and on about all this shit.
It goes to a point where they're just like not even paying attention to what the market is actually telling them.
Yeah. Oh my god, are these guys really gonna fucking double top this and take me out, dude? It looks like it's going to. Ah, come on. Hold the fucking low.
Yeah.
I don't like this now, dude. I'm fucking over it. I got level at 2262 as well. Need to hold this area. I don't want to give this much risk, though. It's too much.
Start trimming. Start trimming while you're in drawdown. It makes more sense to scale out and draw down than it does in profit.
So we hold 2262.
But you do have the sweep though, so it's
I know.
still in your
That's
favor.
why I know. I just. I'm gonna let it trade, dude.
Yeah.
I have to.
Yeah. Yeah, you do. You know how I feel about it.
There we go. Fucking push up, dude. I just hate that NQ candle, dude. I hate how now we're basically just filling all of it. Because if we take that out, RTY is going to go with it for sure. That's what I hate. But I'm banking that hopefully they hold this 200 on NQ. We just retested IWM VWAP here. God, this is just not getting any buying at all. This tape is very much doing nothing. I think I'm going to lower the risk on this, dude. I just know if we take out NQ, this probably won't hold. I don't know. This is tough now. I wanted this just to fucking go right away. But you
Yeah.
can't always get what you want. You can try sometimes.
I don't know. I'm just I gotta. There's no clarity for me personally.
Looks like we're about to fucking die on NQ.
Go to a lower time frame. See what it's talking about.
Yeah, that's something to talk about. This ain't bad for it. Look at this. This looks like
Yeah,
something
that's
you
not bad at all. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not
push
bad.
higher. Push higher.
That's not bad.
That's actually a really good hold of VWAP here on IWM. No, dude, see these fucking guys, dude. Every time it gets up in this area, they're like, just fucking smoke it.
NQ just broke lower day. Spot going for
Yeah,
lower day
dude.
too.
Okay. I might just have to cut this here.
Or you could just scale out a little bit.
Let's see.
If you got two cons on, you can drop.
Yeah,
You could
I'm
drop
gonna.
one maybe. Exactly. Honestly, exactly where your axis is right now.
I don't
That
know.
could be where you cut at.
This is actually holding really decent though. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut shit.
Oh, that shit's pumping.
Oh, 10 a.m. news. Okay, well, save us. Let's fucking go.
Okay, I
Like
just entered
my
long.
ad.
I just entered long.
I'm adding.
Oh no, that's too much risk.
I'm adding. This is a lot of
No,
risk.
that's too much risk.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come to Papa. Come on.
I added too much risk.
You added too much risk.
Accident, yes.
Let's go. I want 74s. I want 74s. What's my level here? 74.1. We got the push here.
I added too much.
Are you long?
Yes, I am long. I really like that
Swing for the
that
fences.
that 1 minute bar on NQ.
Taking 2 off here at 74.1. If we can get it. Nice push, dude. Nice fucking push here. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Push it. Rip me right into my level, baby. Let's go. 10 a.m. news, baby. Give us some fucking bull momentum. That's what I'm talking about. Push it. Don't edge me. What an extravagant push. Push. One more push. Push it. Push it. Push it. Wow. What a fucking 5-minute bar, dude. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Sexy.
Yeah, I know space. I'm trying to, but it's just like if I get stopped out, this is I don't like that. I don't like this. I'm holding on to it, but if I start to see a rejection, I'm gonna have to scale out so I can have my normal risk.
God, this is such a big push. I almost want to take it all off. Should get some more though. That was a dirty sweep on NQ, dude. They swept that
It
low, and
was.
then that
It
was
was.
so dirty,
I
bro.
had to take it. I had to take
I
it.
know. I
I didn't
like
even
it,
wait,
dude. I think you're in the
bro.
driver's seat as fuck,
Bro,
dude. They're
I
gonna rip
didn't
this
even
thing.
wait for my entry model, bro. I
No,
didn't even
you're
wait for it. I
smart.
saw that shit and
That
I was like,
shit's
I got to,
fire.
bro.
That
I
shit's
got to.
fire. Yeah, dude. That's
Let me show you
dirt.
my screen real quick. I know you're about to get
Yeah.
it.
Hold on, let me get
Bro,
TP here. Let me get
look at
TP
this
here.
real quick. Oh,
Yeah.
you better get it.
No, yeah, okay. Whatever.
You retrace
It
it a little
doesn't
bit.
matter. Fuck it.
Yeah, look at this. Look at my entry real quick. Like, look at that shit.
Yeah.
I
Sometimes you gotta
had
do
to do
that, dude. You just gotta like
I had to, bro.
you see it, you feel it, you gotta go. It's
I
like,
had to, bro.
it's sometimes you just gotta do that. You
I'm gonna
gotta
put
do
you
that
back on.
sometimes. All right, give us a little more push here. I'm always so close on the initial push. I got a level at 74 though. Just yesterday's close? No, yesterday's close was what? What was yesterday's close? No, I got a little more room. A little more room up here. A little bit more. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it.
Right.
Push it. Cover me. Cover me some. Cover me some. Come on. Cover me some. Oh my god, dude. Can they not do this to me, please?
You're
Fucking
good.
hate when they do this shit. No. What, dude, come on. Every time, bro, they do this shit to me. Like this is blasphemy. Fill it. Cover me.
The wrong one.
I feel like NQ has to take out the high of day. Yeah. 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 And that should push this. Come on.
Order
There we
filled.
go. Let's go.
Good shit.
Let's go. Okay. Got one more runner here. One more runner to go. It is right into my level. I almost just want to take it all off and just fucking seize the day.
He said seize the day.
Seize the day. $74.1 literally went up right to my target, one tick above. It's crazy. It's fire. Mm-hmm. Did I cover it here too? Cool, dude. You know what? I think I'm just gonna take all of it, bro.
Order filled.
I'm taking it all. I'm taking it all, guys. Nah. W's in the chat. Remember my max loss day yesterday? I don't. It's gone. Didn't happen. Boom. Boom. What are you talking about? What max loss? I don't know. Give me W's in the chat, please. Thank you. Please and thank you. Just hold it's going to go. Yeah, probably will keep going, but I'm gonna take
It's
it.
about
Bro.
the mental. It's about the mental bandwidth as well.
Yeah, I just know RTY also it loves to fucking screw with me. And so that's it. I'll make sure these Lucid accounts fucking copied, dude. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Good trade. That was a good trade. And that's what it's about. It's that feeling of like, damn, that was a good trade. It feels good. All right, Lawrence, let's see you. I want to see you take all of it, Lawrence. I want you to take all of it.
I hope I can get all of it.
Mm-hmm. Space Ghost, fucking fire, dude. I'm locked up as well, up 1,200 on the day. Your job isn't to be right. Your job is to consistently extract money from the market. Boom, 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 boom. Tanner, you locking yourself out? Yes, I will lock myself out here. It's a very good good point. Boom, lockout boys. Custom go 6:09 a.m. Sure, lock me out. Boom. I'll do it. I'll fucking do it. All of them. Every single one. Every single one. Every
Bro, I
single
had to
damn
take that
one.
trade.
Yeah,
That
that
was
was
just
good.
so it was just so
That was sick, bro.
man,
Good
it was
job.
obvious.
Locks in the chat, boys. Locked out. That was a sick fucking sweep and crazy fake out, dude. Right when I saw it dump in my head, I was like, nah, they're gonna do something. Nah, they're gonna do something today.
Yeah, no, I mean, if you go to RTY, your chart, bro, that when I said go to the smaller time frame on that 1 minute, I was convicted
Yeah,
once I saw that.
yeah, that was good. RTY can be tricky, bro. It's really it has a mind of its own. It really
Mhm.
does. Do these Lucid accounts? Yes, cool. All these Lucid accounts copied as well. I actually made more money on my Lucid accounts because I have a daily profit target of 1,300, and it just closed the trade when it pushed into that for all of them, which is cool.
Nice.
So I'm glad I got that set up on the back end. Damn, my levels be leveling, dude. RTY went right to 74.1 and rejected. Crazy. Crazy. That's why daily big picture is important. You guys see how I went through the RTY trade? I looked at the daily because of that. I'm like, oh, this looks decent actually here. And then smaller time frames, you look for some sort of like fake out or sweep or like some sort of signal to tell you that buyers are trying, right? They're
Yeah.
trying, they're defending. That's how it works. That's how the cookie crumbles. These Lucid accounts can take some work.
Why you say that?
They just do. I mean, I need to make 9,000 on them to take a payout.
Oh yeah, that's
So,
right. You said they are similar to top one.
yeah, it's just gonna take some time, but it's also 8 days of trading, which is fine. I
Mhm.
mean, it's like if I trade how I normally trade, it's gonna take me at least 8 days.
Yeah.
Probably longer than that. But that's fine. $15,000 for 10 days of work or something like that. 12 days of work, 20 days of work.
It is work. Well, it's work. It's just not physical labor.
Yeah. Consolidating here at the highs. I feel like we should get a push into 300 slash. What's your target?
Oh, well, my actual
339.
target, I got to see how much momentum. It's really 328,
Okay.
but I got to see the momentum around 328 before I cut it. And if it
Yeah.
gets some momentum, then I'll let it go to 339.
Oh, you should get that. I think we might push up towards 350s, dude, to be honest.
Hope so.
Yeah, I think you should get that. It's good momentum so far.
Like right here, this is what where I would have entered if I didn't
Yeah.
inch all the way down here.
Yep. Fucking soak it up. Soak it the fuck up. RTY, nice push.
We get a
Dude,
pop here.
this YM reversal is really steep. That was great.
Let me get the pop.
Look how much more fun we have when market goes up, dude.
You know, Alex, he only go long.
Dude, my mentor Kyle's been trading for 10 years. He only trades longs.
Yeah.
And he'll fucking like days like yesterday, he'll still make money, dude. Like he'll still be green. Because like he just recognizes the conditions really well. And so he'll just once he gets the initial pop, he's already scaling out.
Yeah.
Because this dude's trading like 10 NQs and just like has limit orders just up the ladder ready to go. So as it's going, just eating up profit.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, that works for you. If that works for you. Next leg here on RTY. Try and Sweep of the highs here. Keep it going, dude. You got more to push. Give the people what they want. Buying. It's hard to believe we're going to lose the lows. Like really hard to believe.
You said lose the lows. Oh yeah.
Yeah, just in general, you know what I mean? In general,
Mm-hmm.
pretty hard to believe that. Initial sweep here, 300. Doji, decent 5-minute doji bar close, good for the bulls. So now we're just basically trying to put together a thesis to keep confirming that we're on the right side.
Yep. I hope this shit doesn't reverse on me. I'm actually thinking because I risked a little bit too much if I should actually move to like. Yeah, I'm just gonna respect my risk,
Like
bro. 450 is
180s.
gonna have to be right here. 172.
Yeah, I like that.
I just gotta respect the risk.
I
Everything
like
else can
that.
play out. I'm not gonna take a $600 loss. That's
Yeah.
not gonna happen.
Especially
Everything
after
else can happen.
you're up. Yeah, especially after you're already up 600 right now.
Yeah, fuck that.
Yeah, I think you're good to let it breathe like that. I don't like the sweep here, the highs, sweep to sweep. That's some bullshit, but no, I feel like there was too much initial, like, I don't know, just off the get-go.
I'm
That huge,
confident in this. This
yeah,
was
it looks
pretty.
good. You just gotta sit through it.
Yeah. Like I said, like this is where I would enter. This is where like my actual setup,
Yeah,
my actual plan, I would
yeah,
have entered already right now.
yeah. How we doing, chat? Guys, our next group coaching session is this coming Monday, by the way.
Yep. Yep.
So it's going to be a sick one again. We're excited for it. If you guys are interested in it, put the link. I'll put the link here again. Put it earlier, but check out the Discord. First, we still have some spots open for the promo, $99 a month. You do have to pay yearly for that one, but if you don't, you want to just do month to month, you want to check it out, it's $159 a month. I know you motherfuckers spend that more than that on combines and shit. Okay, to actually learn something and like learn how to build your edge, like that. That's really what it comes down to. So
yeah. So
yeah.
last session was thinking in probabilities, the key to detachment. That one was really good. In this session so far, it looks like we're going towards self-sabotage, why you can't stick to your plan. So that's what this session looking like. So that's pretty good. I think that a lot of people can relate to, that self-sabotage, like being able to stick to your plan when you know your plan. Like that's something we're going to be breaking down. So if you guys are looking for solutions, there goes the pop. We have them.
Give them a pop. Look at this guy, Mohit, coaching, laughing. Are you laughing that we coach? Well, I can't even pronounce your name.
Laughing.
You fucking Mohit. What kind of name is that, dude? Where are you from?
Bro said coaching. He laughed at coaching.
Laughed at coaching. Mohit. Nice pop here, dude.
Bro said coaching. You guys coach? There's actual coaches.
We're gonna get a bunch of like random newbies here that just joined the streams for the first time. It happens. Who comes here? Who comes here to troll? Racism, dude. I'll say anything I want. It's gonna happen, Space Ghosts, as we grow. Just gonna be randoms to pop in. They're phenomenal coaches. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Oh, yeah. Thanks, Shauna.
We said Martin today in the Discord take his second payout since joining the coaching program.
Facts. I gotta post that. Proof of concept.
Proof of concept, baby. I love that.
Less than 5% of traders get payouts.
It's not an easy feat, man. Takes some time. Excited to go live with top one here pretty soon. Get
That's
my
a
damn
W.
live account going. That'll be sick.
That's a W.
Nikki's a G. Hey guys, want to let you know you guys are dope guys and high favorite, all love.
Is that a
You know
Lambo
it.
in his picture?
I think so.
Nice.
Nikki Pips.
Mickey Pips.
I used to always not know what Pips was. I was like, what's Pips?
I still don't know the increment. What is it? A tick or a point?
Actually, I don't know the increment. I think it is just a tick. Correct me if I'm
Okay.
wrong. What is it? What is it, chat?
Is it a point or a tick?
I know it's for 4x.
Yeah, for sure.
Every pip.
Pip. Sounds funny.
Let's go here, dude. What is it? Thursday? What do I got today? I got a haircut at 11:30. 1 pip equals 10 ticks or some shit like that. Oh, that's interesting. Wow.
Okay.
I had no idea. You just taught me something. For futures, it's ticks, and forex, it's pips. Is it the same though?
Okay.
Is that
But
true?
is it 4 ticks equals 1 point, or is it 10 ticks equals 1 point? Or do you guys even call point something else? Do y'all call it something else?
How many pips in a tick?
No, how many pips in a point?
How many pips in a point?
Yeah. If a pip and a tick is the same, I think. Yeah.
1 point is equal to 10 pips.
Okay. Okay. So
pip
it's
is a
increments of
percentage.
10.
Yeah, a pip is a percentage in a point.
Okay.
Okay? I need to ask chat this. This is a chat question. It's the same, just different terminology. Oh, it's the same, just different terminology. Okay, so every tick versus pip, that makes sense. Okay. I never liked how people talk about how many ticks they got. It just like, I don't know, I guess the way we trade too, because we take so many points out of NQ.
Yeah, I can't keep up.
Like, what am I supposed to say? Like, dude, I ripped fucking 700 pips, like 700 ticks, right? Like,
Yeah,
okay.
700 ticks. That makes it sound way more than this.
It does sound insane. Yeah, when people talk about shit like that.
10,000 pennies in my bank account right
Yeah.
now.
Yeah,
I got 10,000 pennies in my bank account right now, bro. Talk to me nice, bro.
You got how much money?
I got over right. He's fucking rich. You got
Y'all sound
10,000
like
pennies.
a damn Dr. Seuss book, dude. It's like it's so funny. So I talk about this when first of all, Traders for a Cause, if you guys ever been, it's going to be in February in Miami. We're going, all the homies are going. If you guys have never been to a Traders for a Cause event, highly recommend you go. It's just the best trading in-person event of the entire year. So worth it. And I'm not sponsored or any of that type of shit. It's just worth it. It's fun. It's awesome. But Traders for a Cause, it's so cool because I remember the first time I went, I'm like, you can have these conversations that we all have about trading and all our terminology of like, yeah, this got me, stopped, or like, this day happened, this, that, just using all like the words and the terminology. And everyone listening to you fully comprehends it. It's never like over their heads. And you can talk to someone you've never met and you're like, oh shit, like this person knows exactly what I'm talking about. That's kind of cool. So it's funny versus,
speaking the same language.
Mm-hmm. Kind of like options. You say calls and puts. We say shorts and longs. Yeah, for sure. Interchangeable. Makes sense. It makes sense. Give him the money. I want to see a colossal ripstick, just the 50s right now, dude.
For sure.
Let's give you it. Fucking incredible move, dude. Proud of you for fucking just sending that and not waiting on that.
Bro,
That was
I
a
had
good.
to.
Yeah, it's a good one, bro. It's I fucking fuck with that.
Like, do you see this shit? Look at this fucking candlestick. This was it right there. Once that closed, I was like, oh,
that's it. Yep.
Yeah.
I'm just glad RTY worked out the way it did and didn't. It's actually surprising because RTY usually is the one to do the type of move that NQ just did, where it comes down one more time, takes you out again, and then goes. RTY is actually the candidate to usually do that. I'm surprised it didn't. Probably just because there's so much daily support that I was working with. It just had more of a chance to go higher.
Nikki Pips, yeah, Lawrence, that's a Huracan Evo in my picture. I went to an auto gallery out there in Vegas and did a manifestation video on my YouTube. That's my yeah, bro. I respect that so much, bro. I respect that so much, bro. I really fuck with that. Like I do the same thing with houses though. So like I'll look at a bunch of like because I live in South Florida, right? So I'll look at a bunch of dope ass houses in Fort Lauderdale or Pembroke Pines or sometimes even like Miami, bro. And it just, yeah, it works, bro. It works. I can't, I don't have a house like that, but hopefully it works.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It does, dude. It all comes with time. It really does. I have it on a smaller scale. I remember when I was living with all my friends, I always had this like dream vision of like I want like a luxury apartment, me fucking growing my business, like
I'm gonna just push
trading.
it in my normal whatchamacallit, because
yeah, that's smart.
Yeah, because it's too much chop going on here. I just want to take me out.
Yeah, that's smart. I don't like that rejection there. $306.
That's a nasty rejection.
There's a pretty nasty rejection here, but it's okay. Maybe
maybe
this is the one where everyone goes, I think you're still good, bro. I think this is going to go to 350s. There's not really an area here to reject. I think this is just a spooky fake out.
Yeah, I'm chilling.
256. That's your trail. Yeah, we should. I don't think we should lose that, dude. I do not think so. It failed the opening range low and not broke upside. Opening range low. NQ failed opening range low. You got in and now it broke opening range high. If that holds in the pullback, it's going to run. Yep. I like that. Smart one fit. Yeah, this looks chilling, dude. I think you're cruising. Look at that. Look at this demand.
Put it back to where I had it. Should I put it back to where I had it? Or just let it take me out?
Bro, you can't read. Dude, you can't type. Look at this. I have the comment. I have the comment up here. Fit. You fucktard. It failed opening range low and not broke upside. You sound dyslexic, dude. And luckily you're in the stream every day, so I troll you with love. I didn't know you could see it. I deleted it. Yeah, see, exactly.
We're good.
Let's go, Lawrence. Oh, you're out.
Yeah.
Okay. W's in the fucking chat. Ones and dones, baby. Let's do it. Walk it out, Lawrence, before I fucking smite you.
Oh, yeah.
W's in the chat. Locks in the chat. One and done. Much better day. Better conditions. Waiting for the setups. Seeing what we need to see. Planning it out. Great fucking day, dude. Great day. This is exactly how you should desire to trade, in the sense of just one and done, right? Take your setup, move on. And of course, like, my RTY kept running, and there was a little part of me that goes, hey, I could have gotten a little more, this or that. But then also, you know what? I noticed that's there, and I go, no, fuck it. Lock it out. Actually, shout out Kevin in the chat where he was like, lock it out, Tanner. And I was like, oh, you're right. I don't want to fuck with that today. So good shit.
He don't do 24. Make sure he doesn't do age of lockouts. Like pretty
cool.
In the session lockout.
Yeah, no, I did.
Damn, I should have kept it there. Look at that shit. I knew.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Shoulda, coulda, woulda.
I knew I could. I knew it was gonna get there. I just didn't like that. Whatchamacallit. But I normally do that though. I normally use that discretion, like have that discretion or whatever.
Yeah, I fuck with that. That's a solid
like
deal.
between.
$1,100, bro. That's fire.
Yeah, for sure.
Shout out all y'all.
I'm not labeled as me. All right, I'm done. All right.
Sick, fucking sick day. That's what we like. It's 7:29 a.m. here in California. I'm gonna go get coffee and walk by the beach and listen to a podcast or some shit.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what it's about to me. I love when I have early days.
Right, early green days.
Love it,
Yeah.
love it.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Much love. We're gonna peace out there. Check out the Discord, like I said. Next coaching session is this coming Monday. Check out Top One Futures. Going live with them soon. Use code STRONG. Got some sick 50% off right now on those accounts. 50% off is solid. Great deal. But much love to all. Thank you. Peace.
Peace.